हॅलो स्टुडंट, पुणे जिल्हा परिषद पुणे आयोजित ऑनलाईन शिक्षण वर्गामध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे. स्टँडर्ड 3 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश पोएम मेरी हॅड अ लिटल लॅम्ब, पेज नंबर 63. अध्ययन निष्पत्ती याप्रमाणे. Myself. Today we will learn about poem Mary Had a Little Lamb. Listen, repeat and sing. Mary had a little lamb, a little lamb, a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow. Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. The lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, to school one day, to school one day. It followed her to school one day. That was against the rule. That was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play. To see a lamb at school, to see a lamb at school. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The little children cry, the little children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb you know, lamb you know, lamb you know. Why Mary loves the lamb you know. The teacher did reply, the teacher did reply. La 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 la, la la la, la la la. Meaning of words. Lamb means cockroach. Please means locker. Everywhere means सर्वत्र. Followed means पाठलाग करणे. Rule means नियम. Laugh means हसणे. Know means माहीत असणे. Reply means प्रतिसाद देणे. Fill in the blanks with the proper color word. H dash dash H grass, green. H dash dash H milk, white. H dash dash H crow, black. H dash dash H a tomato, red. H dash dash H the sky, blue. H dash dash H turmeric, yellow. Thanks for watching video.